Today, we will discuss about matter and the changes in matter. But first, let us discuss what is matter. So, matter is anything that occupies a space. So, when you see an object like a table or even gadgets like cell phone and it occupies a space, it is a matter. Now, let us have the three kinds of matter. First, the solid. Second, gas, and the third one is liquid. So, remember these three kinds of matter. Now, let us first discuss the first kind of matter, which is solid. So, solid kids are objects that keeps their own shape and do not flow or melt. Solids can be different in colors and in textures. Remember also that solids are hard. Now let us have the examples for solid. First is stones or rocks, table, tire, and even drum. So as you can see, they have different colors and different textures, but one thing is the same with these examples. They are all hard. That's why they are considered solid. Now let us have the second kind of matter, the liquid. Kids, liquid flows easily and it takes the shape of the container that it is poured into. Let's give examples. First, water, and second, milk or any liquid. So when you pour the milk into the glass, the milk will take the shape of the glass, and that is one of the characteristics of liquid. When you pour the liquid to a container, it will take the shape of the container. Now let us have the third kind of matter, the gas. So gas are air-like substances that can move around freely. Gas do not have a shape and gases are all around us. Now let us have the examples for gas. So as you can see here, the arrow is pointing to the fog. So for example, when you boil a water and the water is already hot, a fog will come out from the kettle and the fog is considered the evaporated water or the gas. So these are examples of gas. Now let us have the changes in matter. So as you can see here in the picture, the water can turn into solid ice or solid. A liquid can turn into solid like in this picture. So when a liquid like water becomes hard like ice cubes, it is called solid. So the changes will be from liquid to solid. Now let us have these changes in matter. So as you can see, there are two ice cream. When a solid melts, it will become a liquid. So as you can see in the first picture, it is a solid ice cream where there is no melt yet. But afterwards, if the ice cream will melt, it will become liquid. So that's an example of solid to liquid change in matter. Now let us have these changes in matter. So when a liquid like water is heated or boiled, it will produce a steam or a fog on air and it is called gas. So this change in matter is liquid to gas. So that's all about matter and the changes in matter. So remember kids, the three kinds of matter. We have solid, liquid, and gas. And also remember the changes in matter, that solid can turn into liquid, a liquid can turn into solid, and also liquid can turn into gas. That's all for today.